So again I am going to show you how you can install the Kali Linux on the VirtualBox. So you need to create a new and give the name is a Kali Linux 2023, and here where you want to install or save, because my C drive is a less drive, that is the reason I am selecting to another location. And here is the Linux, type is a Linux, and the version must you will have to select the Debian. Keep in mind, you will have to select the Debian here. Okay, so this is necessary to do that. After selecting the Debian, you can click on the next. It is depend on how much the memory you want to give it and how much CPU you can give it. The next, and the memory must the 32 GB minimum. You can give the more, it's depend on you, but it is the minimum virtual hard disk you will have a requirement. 32 GB, then click on the next. Here all the configuration is there. Actually I have selected some other location, why it is not showing here. So I am going to back and select the location again. Inside the drive D, inside the VM, inside VM there is a Kali Linux, and then select the folder. Okay, click on the next, 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 and finish. So your installation has been, your machine has been created. Now you will have to install a Kali Linux on your virtual machine. So the installation, for starting the installation, you will have just click on the start. Kali Linux has been started, and now you will have to select the DVD. So right now I am going to select the other. Inside the downloads there is a Kali Linux 203. Select this one and mount and retry. Here is a lots of the options is available. Live system, because I have downloaded the live version, that is the reason it is showing me the live system is available. So if you want to start install, so you can start the installation. So the installation will be start. So here you need to select your language, English. Don't select the Chinese or the any other language. Then select here your country, India. Select the proudly. After selecting this, click on the continue. Here the American English type of the keyboard is it. So leave it the default. Then click on the next. And it will detect the hardware and everything. Once it will be detect everything, then the installation process will be start. Here you need to provide the Kali Linux or any host name. Host name means computer name. So I am providing the KT, and then click on the continue. Here I need to provide a domain name. I am leaving it blank, and full name. And then continue, and here you need your user account name. This is your user account name. Then you will have to provide a strong password. Once you will provide the strong password, then you can click on the continue. So it will take a little bit time. Guided and use the entire disk. So as a fresh, for the new users, it is recommended all the files will be stored in a one partition. But in a enterprises, you will have to create another partitions as well. There is a two partitions. One is a slash, another is a swap. So finish the partition and change into the disk. So you will have to select yes, because the changes will be done when you select the yes. And after that, the installation process has been started. You can see here.